Okay, okay.
What up?
Yeah. So yeah, very good afternoon. And how have you been?
Very good afternoon. I am also fine and pretty good. And thanks for asking. Please, you are?
Yeah, I'm also doing fantastic, and thank you for asking me too. And since we are meeting very first time, or we are
Yeah,
meeting second time.
second time.
Oh,
Yeah.
when we will meet before? It's been one
I
month,
can say, yeah, 20 days ago, I think. On it. Yeah.
Oh, 20 days ago. Okay. So would you like to initiate yourself first?
Sure, why not? Of course. So, first of all, thank you so much giving me this beautiful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. This is Somnath. I am from West Bengal, India. I have done graduation, now running my master degree second year, political science.
Okay.
And if I talk about my family member, total five, include me.
Oh,
And hobbies are reading, writing, speaking, listening, swimming, dancing, and new anything learning.
okay.
And
That's great.
running both channels, Santali Media and English Media. This is my brief introduction. Thank you.
Okay, so it's a really nice introduction from your end. So, do you have any YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh, when did you
Yes.
start?
I can say 7 or 8 months before. Yeah, 8 months
How is
before.
going on your YouTube channel?
Good, I can say. But nowadays, consistency very important. Yeah.
Yes, of course. So, how do you upload videos? Like, do you upload on regular basis on every single day, or do you upload on alternative days?
Yeah, sometimes try. Yeah, try. But time manage some difficult nowadays. Little bit I am busy, I can say.
Because everyone has a hectic
So, ma'am,
schedule. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
yeah. So, ma'am, introduce yourself.
Okay, so as you already know, my name is Arshi and I hail from UP Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualification, my academics, so I have completed my master. Furthermore, I did B.Ed and then I was working. Now I am not working. And moreover, I am running a YouTube channel. And along with that, I am learning, this not learning, I am polishing my skill and I am just focusing to grooming my personality this year. And also, I have numerous hobby that I love cooking, stitching, listening, reading, talking to people, traveling, learning new things. Uh, these are these are my hobbies, and yeah, that's all from my side.
Yeah, nice. Great. Introduction.
Thank you. So,
Ma'am, what do? Okay, I have a question. Okay. So, please, I think you explain me. So, what do you think nowadays? English literature, yeah, speaking language. How many difference? Are you interested? To explain.
no, because I'm not getting your point. What are you trying to say? Are you talking about English literature or simultaneously you are talking about spoken English? Do you want to differentiate?
Yeah, yeah. Spoken English, and I can say honors subject, honors, and actually study and speaking. I can say the very how many difference?
Still, I'm not getting your point. Sorry for that. Can you please explain? Can you please elaborate your question in that manner that I would be able to understand? And what are you trying to say? Actually, I am not getting your point. I am unable to get you.
I can say subject knowledge and speaking knowledge have how many difference? Yeah.
Okay, so
Are you explain? Interested?
you want to ask me that subject knowledge and at the same time spoken English, like English.
Yeah, yeah.
So, it's a really, very nice question, and also it's a very little bit, tricky question. So here I want to say, and I would like to say that both are important, both are extremely important. Because if you want to speak in English, so that time you need knowledge, and that knowledge come from your study, from books, and from subject, whatever you have. So I think both are important, and it's not like that I'm just focusing on my English and I'm not getting knowledge subjectively. Of course, it is also important as much as spoken English important. So because if I want to speak on particular topic, so that time I need subjective knowledge. I need books knowledge, and I need some other information that I can elaborate my thought, and I can tell to people in a very well manner if I have subjective knowledge. So I think both are important.
Yeah, yeah. Really nice.
Yeah.
So I can say my opinion. I think different, but speaking knowledge, I can say practical knowledge type. My opinion, okay. And subject knowledge, I think theory type. I can say, okay.
Hmm.
And speaking purpose, I think, yeah, any types audio, yeah, video call, yeah, public place speaking very, yeah, talk any other person important
Yeah.
learning person.
Yeah.
Why not? Many people I realize that uh, have a degree. I can say that, but they are not speaking. I can say okay,
Yeah, because
English knowledge.
they are not speaking because they are lacking of practice. They are not. How you will speak? You will speak by practice, and if you are not doing practice, so how you will consider? How will you think that I will be able to speak? Without speaking, you cannot speak in English. So for the speaking purpose, you have to practice, and yeah, you will be fluent just because of the practice, just because of the consistency.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so nice. So you have a question, man? Your
Yeah, also I have a question. So, here I am not asking you very normal question or simple question, because I am feeling that everyone ask the same question. Everyone has, similar content, like what do you do, and when did you start your journey, and how is going on everything, and something like that. So I'm not going to ask you, and I'm thinking to do different. So from now on, I am thinking someone suggested me, and also I was thinking for long time, but I was unable. And also I'm not consistent on my YouTube channel, and simultaneously I'm not consistent on my practice just because of some hectic schedule. So now I'm thinking to do. So I will give you a word, and you have to tell me two synonyms of that word. So if you agree, then I can do.
actually nowadays I not consistent with this bit. Okay, that's why I think many answer not available. Yeah, I can say.
So it
Okay.
will be very normal, word. If you are agree, then I can. Otherwise, we can skip.
Yeah, yeah. You can skip
I,
another topic. Okay.
I can skip. Okay, so
Uh,
you are not
yeah,
interesting
yeah,
to expand your vocabulary, as I can feel. Okay. Why don't you want to
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
let me tell me one thing. Why don't you expand your vocabulary?
Actually, I yeah. In fact, I can say nowadays just I learning just online platform. Yeah, I can say that. Okay, I till time nowadays a little bit difficult my site. uh,
Okay.
management, I can say.
Okay.
That's it.
So, which kind of content are you listening?
I listen, I can say many type podcast, yeah, other countries, English channel, and
So,
series, yeah, many type.
in podcast, don't you ever come across a new words? Don't you think to learn that word with the synonyms? Don't you think in this way? Or you just listen and then you left that word over there? You leave that word over there. Do you do in this way?
Yeah, yeah, sometime.
So
Yeah,
so how you will, if you will not, elaborate, if you will not expand your vocabulary, so how you will be able to, elevate your English level? How you will be uplift your English level? So what is the your method that you can uplift? And please tell me about your techniques, about your method that I can also elevate, uplift my level.
yeah, nice topic. Yeah,
Okay.
thanks for asking me. Actually, I believe that everything is possible, but regular consistency, yeah, practice very important. Any field, not English, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
okay. And regular police, yeah, regular remind, I think very important. Yeah, and yeah, confidence important. And why not?
Of
Man,
course, confident is extremely important. It is first and foremost things. If you want to do something different to others, if you want to learn something new, so of course you will have confidence, and of course you should have confidence, and you should have courage to start to commence something new, so then you can start it. Otherwise you don't have confidence and courage, so you cannot do anything in your life, because everything requires confidence and courage. Whatever you want to learn in your life, I'm not just talking about this language. I'm talking about any skill.
yeah,
It may be anything. It may be to your. It may be related to your study. It may be related this language. It may be related to your skill. It may be related with anything. So the first and foremost thing is confidence, and confidence comes
yeah, yeah,
when you start to do the things when you do on regular basis.
yeah, yeah. Nice. And I agree with you. Why not? Speakings come after speaking. And should not think our mistake regularly. You can, yeah, I can practice, achieve everything. I,
Mhm. So okay,
and
tell me.
mistake,
The one question running in my mind, and I want to ask you, and I'm really curious. When you come across any mistakes while conversation, so how did you rectify your mistake, and what is the method that you learn from your mistakes? How did you rectify? How did you learn from your mistakes?
yeah, improve important, but first speaking very important. Okay, first.
Hmm. Okay, so by speaking, you can
And
rectify your mistakes.
yeah, yeah. But I think my personal opinion, I can say regularly speaking very important. Reading, yeah, LSRW important, but I realized that listening and speaking nowadays very profitable. Any language, yeah, any gain knowledge purpose, I can say that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Why not?
Of course, listening is important, and speaking is also important. In SRW, we should work upon every aspect of learning this language. Yeah, I agree with you. So, do you ever do this such kind of things that you made mistakes, and next time while conversation, during the conversation, did you make the same mistakes, or did you improve from your previous one? did you learn from your previous one? Have you ever did in this way?
Yeah, yeah. Really improve very important. Yeah, next time I can say.
Hmm.
And yeah, I can say mistake is a key for success. This thing is very important. Okay, you can any field mistake not impossible. I can say that. Okay. Every field. Why not? This is a Indian, not our language. I can say. Okay.
We are on the same page, and of course, I'm sure, and I agree on that things that as you said that what did you say? And then I forgot.
Yeah. Actually, I can say Indian, not our language. I can say the English. That's why
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
don't care mistake.
Yeah,
Uh,
of course, we all make mistakes.
Yeah. Why not? I think any person just listening purpose. Indian, all people. I think just learning Hindi language, just listening. Yeah, speaking. There. Many
Hmm.
people. I think don't know script. Yeah, letter. Many people. I really that, but they are very fluent Hindi language.
Yeah, because they had people with whom they can speak, and they have environment, they have exposure, they had people with whom they can speak, they spoke with each other. So yeah, if you have people, if you have environment, if you have atmosphere, so that time any language you can learn any language, because that time it becomes very easier for speaking, for learning, for observing, for imitating to people.
Yes.
Yeah. So do you have any
First,
question?
yeah. I think many people first this type problem. That's why I am not here this online platform. Hesitation, yeah, mistake. They are very negative thinking. I can say the many people. Yeah, why
Hmm. Your voice is breaking up.
breaking up.
Hmm. Sometime. Not
All
all,
right.
but
Yeah.
now is it okay?
Yes. Now right.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Now it is
I
fine.
can I can say nowadays main problem. I think village person shy, yeah, hesitation, yeah, negative thinking. That's why many people I can say not achieve any online platform. I can say. Okay,
Hmm.
my opinion.
Yeah.
Person.
Okay. So our meeting will be end in 10 minutes. So if you have any question, then you can ask me.
Yeah, your opinion. Um, please explain me. Nowadays, English learning how many important for Indian people? Why not? I think 60 or 70% people. I think just I can say not interested in English learning. Yeah, speaking. But nowadays I realize that very important English learning is speaking any countries. I can say. Why not?
Hmm.
This is international, yeah, global.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So yeah,
What do
that is really
uh,
very nice question, and that is really very interesting. So nowadays English is becoming very popular in every field, and also we need English day to day life. That English is English is important for your career. English is important for your job. English is important for your children, and English is important to when for your traveling purpose. And I would say that English in is important, I think, in every field of, in every aspect of life, because in English is important for both housewife. English is important for professionals as well, and English important for your children. Children that many housewives are just learning this language to give the environment of their children when they when they go in parents teaching. So that time they feel lack of they feel they are not good at English, so that's why we're just giving for just giving to the environment to their children, and just attending the parents meeting, they are they are learning this language. And also in day to day life, if I want to go other country, and also if I talk about my country, so there are many states, they have their own language, so I cannot understand their language. English is a global language, so I think everywhere English is spoken by people, and I can understand English as well in my country as well. So for traveling purpose is also very important. And also if you want to get promotion in your career, in your job, so English, of course, English is needed for you. So I think English is important as important your mother tongue. We have to
Yeah,
be
yeah.
we
Same,
have
same.
to be aware about this language, because upcoming time English will be will be become a very famous, it will be very well known in our country as well.
Yeah, yeah. Right, right.
Yeah.
I agree with you. And
Yeah.
why
So
not me field? I think in job purpose, English speaking, yeah, learning very important nowadays. Yeah.
yes,
Why
of
not? Any types answer I can say. English version, I think 100% sure, but other version, yeah, other language, I think not sure. Yeah, that's why.
yeah. So now you have any question, so you can ask me. Otherwise, I have to wind up this session
Okay,
because
okay, okay.
my
Thank you.
laptop battery is
Can I?
going to die. I have, I think, let me tell you,
Yeah, yeah,
I have only
yeah, yeah.
11% battery in my laptop. So it's gonna be die very soon.
Same, same. My mobile, I think 10%. Yeah, I can say
Okay.
okay, no.
So I think we should wrap up this session here.
Okay, nice to meet you. Have a great day. Bye, bye. Okay, take
Yeah,
care.
bye bye. It was really nice conversation with you. Have a good day.